Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Volvo V60. So from any screen, the nav button is the second down on the left here. So if you click the nav button the first time, it brings up the map there. If you click it again, it brings up the menu, set address. So we want to set address. Click OK. And then just wind that down. You've got city and street. We'll take it down to city. Click OK. That should bring up, yeah, there you go. It's brought up the thumb wheel, and also here, there you've got postcode. So we want to click postcode. And then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whatleydale, Preston, PR. So once you've selected the letter, just click OK. And now we need to go to numbers. It realizes you need to go to numbers, and it's defaulted to 1, 2, 3. I've just got to click OK there to accept it. And then PR5, 4, and then we need to go back to ABC again. So it's defaulted to ABC. We've just got to click to select it. JS. PR5 4JS, again we've got to select it by clicking OK here. Great Britain, PR5 4JS, Chorley Road, set direct route to destination, set single destination, there you go. Click OK.
The route is being calculated. Make a U-turn if possible.
It's saying that because we're sat on the forecourt here, but to be more precise, more accurate, you can put a number in of the road you're going to. We're Grosvenor Garage, so there's no number for this, and I couldn't put one in. But that's how you do it.